Coastal areas of Kerala. The focus right now is on rehabilitation and ensuring all those who face destruction and damage to their homes are helped out. Let me take this across now for a live update to Gopi Krishnan Unithan, who's joining us live from Kochi in Kerala. Gopi, at this point I can see that things are again back to being sunny. The challenge, however, is for those who are in low-lying areas, Gopi, and who are affected by the cyclone, because there are several districts like Ernakulam where you're also seeing a triple lockdown in effect.
Well, indeed, Akshita, that is going to be the most important challenge for Kerala at the moment, because still yesterday we had the crisis of the fury left behind by the cyclonic formation. But from today, there is a triple lockdown that has already come into effect in Ernakulam, Thiruvananthapuram, Thrissur and Malappuram districts of Kerala. Now, the focus on the coastal areas will certainly be the rehabilitation of the people, and there will be some kind of relaxation on these efforts which are meant to rehabilitate people or bring people's life back to normal. And what we have been trying to understand, or what we have been told by the administration, is that in many of the coastal areas, these houses that are being destroyed or which has faced the fury from the nature, where the houses where people had already started evacuating or where they were trying to relocate themselves to other locations. So the government at the moment has tried to provide some kind of a relief camp to some people, and many more have tried to move out on their own, finding other alternate opportunities, because the rain and this rough sea has started hitting them year after year, which has made their lives extremely difficult. Now we will certainly have to wait and watch on how is the state government, the state administration, going to try and find a solution to this unending fury of the nature in coastal areas.
This is a huge challenge for the administration. They're battling COVID-19, an unprecedented surge, and cases are going up in Kerala amid this kind of a natural calamity. Gopi, thank you very much for getting us that report from Kochi.